Hi, I'm CreativeSarah, and today we're going to make a really cool shelf sitter out of some things you might have laying around at your own home, in your garage, on your wood pile. This is just a random piece of wood that was left over from some projects we had around the house, like a 2x6, and it's kind of square, it's kind of not. Doesn't matter because that odd shape of it makes it a really cool, interesting, unique shelf sitter. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to paint. I'm just using some folk art home decor chalk paint. This one happens to be the color Castle, so it's kind of a stony gray color. Just going to pull out some a paintbrush. I like to use these throwaway brushes because it's real quick and easy, and I don't have to wash out every time. I'm not painting every single day. It's a nice stony color. Love it. And you don't have to get every single nook and cranny covered in paint, because we'll probably end up sanding some of that as well. I like to speed up the dry process. Now that we have it painted, I'm gonna do a little sanding, and I just have this really awesome handy cordless sander. Wipe off any sanded bits and pieces. There we go. So now I have my block with a little distressing. We want to wax this to give it a nice smooth finish to put our chalk on. Again, we're waxing because, do you guys remember? Because this is a porous and fibrous product, wood, we want to make sure nothing our stencils are sticky backed, so they are adhesive, and we don't want anything to stick to it. If you get some little wood splinters that stick to it, it's not going to come off. So we want to treat our silkscreen stencils with the utmost care. Awesome. All right, you guys, nice and smooth. Now, I have some whiskey business and call me old fashioned. That's what we're gonna do. So I think we'll do whiskey business on the back. We're gonna do call me old fashioned on the front. And our magic trick fuzz. Get a little, when these are brand new, like this one is, you want to fuzz it. You want to get a little bit of fuzz on that sticky so that it doesn't super stick to that surface. We always fuzz when we're sticking to wood. We always fuzz when we're sticking to a non-porous surface like glass or metal, okay? So if you're using any of our patented boutique surfaces, you don't have to fuzz. All right, my friends. We're going to use just a little bit of our black velvet. And there we go. Look how cool. This is going to be so awesome at our bar. We're going to flip it over. And we're going to do our whiskey business. There we go. Okay. Yes. It looks so cool. All right, let's get this finished. So there you have it. We have our double-sided shelf sitter. If you're new, you guys go ahead and comment VIP. I'll get you a welcome message and a link right to join my free DIY and crafting group. If you haven't joined my club, absolutely get on that. Type club in the comments and I'll send you some information. And if you've been thinking or curious about becoming a designer, I'm ready to share with you. We have the #1 team in the entire company, and I have all sorts of really great things in place for you today to get started. So type team, T-E-A-M, right in the comments, and I will send you a little message with some important information and a link where you can join and watch my opportunity video. All of that to say, call me old-fashioned. Let's go have some whiskey business. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.